Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable picture-in-picture in YouTube on Android. So if you turn on picture-in-picture in the YouTube application on your Android phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or enable picture-in-picture on YouTube on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Android phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to apps and then click on it. Click on the three dots at the top right where you see apps. Now you want to select special access. Once you selected special access, under special access locate picture-in-picture and click on it. Now if you see all the applications that support picture-in-picture. To turn on picture-in-picture on YouTube Android, all you need to do is scroll down the page until you get to YouTube. So if picture-in-picture is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. You see that? And then hit the bell button. Now, when next you are watching YouTube video, you'll be able to watch YouTube video in picture-in-picture. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.